Here I've got REALME Q2, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, mark the contact that you would like to block, then click on More icon and select Block Numbers. And then confirm that you would like to block this number by tapping on Block. And that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you. But whenever you would like to unblock your friend, your caller, just tap on More icon, unblock numbers, confirm that you would like to unblock it, and that's it. You can also tap on the More icon here, go to the settings and reach Block Numbers, and here you can block all unknown callers, and also you can add a phone number manually, so you can smoothly enter some number, tap on Block, and from now on this number will not be able to call you or send you a message. Then obviously you can remove it from your blacklist by tapping on cross icon. Tap on unblock, and that's it. So basically that will be all. These are all options that you have to block some numbers, to block your friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.